Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be explaining you all the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. So before starting, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. Maya Angelou was an American poet and writer. She was born on 4th April 1928 in St. Louis, Missouri. She won the Pulitzer for her volume Just Give Me a Drink of Water Before I Die. This poem is an extract taken from that volume. So basically, Maya Angelou was born when there was a depression among the whites and the black Americans. At that time, she was born. So this poem is representing. So in this poem, there are two kinds of birds. One is a free bird. The free bird is representing the white American, whereas the caged bird is representing the black Americans. So let's get started. The free bird leaps on the back of wind and floats downstream till the current ends. So the free bird leaps, it means that the free bird is jumping. Leap means to jump quickly. The free bird jumps on the back of the wind and floats downstream. Downstream is in the direction of current of a stream. Stream means lehre. Till the current ends. Current means a large portion of air or water moving in a certain direction. So the free bird जो है she is jumping quickly on the back of wind and is floating in the direction of stream, and she is also moving with water in a certain direction, and dips his wings in the orange sun rays. These two lines represent the various opportunities that the free bird has and dares to claim the sky. So the free bird has dare to claim the sky. It means the free bird has every facility. She's getting whatever she wants. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. So now this paragraph is for a caged bird. It says, but a bird that stalks. What is the meaning of stalks? Stalk means to walk in angry mood. Why is the bird stalking? The bird is stalking because she is locked inside a cage, down his narrow cage. And narrow is limited in space. It means that the cage of the bird is very small and she is walking in angry mood, can seldom see through his bars of rage. It means that the caged bird can not often or very rarely see through these bars of rage. His wings are clipped, means his wings are cut off, and his feet are tied. So even though if the bird is able to hop off, then she won't be able to fly because her wings are clipped. So he opens his throat to sing. So why does the bird opens his throat to sing? Because of the various reasons. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill. Why is the fear in singing? The fear in singing is because the caged bird has a fear that the people would harm the bird. Now, trill means shrill notes expressing sorrow and pain of things unknown. What are the things unknown to the caged bird? Freedom, liberty, and various opportunities, but longed for still, and the tune is heard on the distant hill, for a caged bird sings of freedom. So the tune, the voice of the caged bird is heard on a distance. It means a far off hill, for a caged bird, that the caged bird is singing for freedom. Why is the tune heard on a distant hill? Because the caged bird is singing with a fearful trill. Fearful trill means high pitched voice. Okay. The free bird thinks of another breeze. It means the free bird is thinking of various opportunities. And the trade winds soft through the sighing trees. And the trade winds soft through the sighing trees. It means that the free winds over here, the free winds are representing the trees. Are the leaves of the trees are attached with those branches, but they can't fly off. And on the other hand, the winds soft through them. And the fat worms waiting on a dawn bright lawn. So the fat worms they are waiting for the free bird on the dawn bright lawn. Dawn means the first appearance of daylight in the morning, when the day begins. So the first appearance of day, मतलब सबसे पहली रोशनी जो आती है is called dawn. And he names the sky of his own. So the caged bird the free bird names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams. Grave is a place where dead bodies are buried. So the caged bird is standing on the grave of her dreams. What are the dreams of before coming inside a cage? The free bird also had many dreams, like she will do this, she will do that, but now all her dreams are over. His shadow shouts on the nightmare scream. The caged bird, when the caged bird sees his own shadow, then he gets scared that who is this Eve, and also the shadow is also getting scared after seeing that who is that. No. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. So his feet are tied, his wings are clipped, and he opens his throat to sing. In the whole poem, the poet has never used her over here. So please, his and her. The caged bird sings with a fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on a distant hill, for the caged bird sings for freedom. So this paragraph I have already explained. If you have not understood, please reverse the video. So by Maya Angelou. Thank you for watching.